This is Sense Security Solutions AM antenna. It's called SSS AM01. This is a ABS antenna with the open frame architecture. These systems can work as a mono, which means transceiver, and also the combination of transmitter and receiver. It has a capability to connect up to 3 antennas with one master antenna. Now you can see the performance of the tags, the smallest variety with the silk tag and the labels, and we'll see the demo and the performance of the antenna. This is the mini pencil tag, and you see the performance with the 6 feet. Yeah, and the next tag. This is also one of we call it midi pencil, and you can see the performance. Now it's with the silk tag. In all directions with the lateral, vertical, horizontal positions. In lateral it picks up prior to the systems, and vertical and horizontal it picks in when you are passing through the systems. And now it's with the VPL label. This is the low energy label. It picks up at 6 feet. Yeah. It has built-in counter, and you can see the light flashing, which shows the live of the antenna. Yeah. Thank you.